Does your desk just not offer enough workspace? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Flexispot E2L electric standing desk. This is an L-shaped desk with lots of space, so it's going to be perfect for. This is an L-shaped desk with lots and lots of space, so it's perfect for your office workers and also just people who need more space. I'm looking at you gamers with all your multiple monitors and your ultra-wide screens. This thing is awesome. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. This is the E2 L-shaped electric standing desk from Flexispot. Spacious, so you can make room for your items. With a large and spacious L-shaped desktop, you'll never have to worry about running out of space again. Plus, you can spruce up your workspace. There's ample room for your office equipment and other belongings. And it's crafted with eco-friendly materials, helping you to reduce your carbon footprint one desk at a time. Plus, it's stable, it's steady and wobble free. Don't sweat it, for the E2L stays sturdy and durable, even at its highest point. This is all thanks to its three-legged structure that offers maximum stability and peace of mind. And it suits various positions with an adjustable height that ranges from 28 inches to 47.6 inches. This desk is great for standing or sitting. Plus, it comes with powerful yet silent motors. With a noise level below 50 decibels, raising or lowering the desk hardly makes any noise. In addition to this, it is durable. It carries your load. It's designed with quality and safety in mind. The E2L is guaranteed to support you throughout the day. It's sturdy and reliable, and it holds all your desktop essentials safely. It supports up to 220 pounds in weight. Plus, the intuitive design adds convenience at your fingertip. You can easily adjust the desk and program your favorite heights with a built-in keypad. And it's user-friendly, so you can switch between sitting and standing positions with just one touch of a button. And with the ability to save up to 4 height presence, the keypad remembers all your preferred settings, so you can spend more time on things that matter the most. Intelligent anti-collision system. Keep nearby objects out of harm's way with the E2L's built-in anti-collision system. It's smart and safe because while it's in motion, the desk will automatically stop and move in reverse if it detects objects in the way. This allows you to prevent damage to your belongings. The E2L-shaped electric desk from Flexispot is just fantastic. It's very enjoyable, durable, and spacious and stable. It gives you everything you need, whether you're at home or at work. So we've got to say, Flexispot, great job. As you know, we've worked with Flexispot in the past, and their products are always A+, S+, amazing, high-grade quality. Flexispot has everything. They have chairs and computer desk and electric standing desk and L desk, and they're just fully set up and ready to go. But we want to give a huge shout out to Flexispot for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I'm today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.